beads so that they're equidistant, so you don't have any inconsistencies on your bracelet. You're just going to take your crimp bead and your chain and you're going to put it along the ruler. So we want to have these 2 centimeters apart. So here we have it, 2 centimeters. Then we just crimp the bead on the chain, like so. So now we're just going to continue adding crimp bead, crystal, crimp bead, 2 centimeters apart. There we are. This is the second one. Crimp it again. Measure it again. And you're going to keep going like this. Oops. Until you have 6 beads on your chain. Look, I said 6 beads. The truth is, with bracelets, it depends on your wrist length. For some people, 5 would be fine. You have to basically, as you're making a piece of jewelry, keep trying it on around you unless you know exactly the length you want it and you've measured it up against another piece of jewelry until it's done.